How to redeem YouTube Premium code. Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to redeem your YouTube Premium code. In order to redeem your YouTube Premium code, you have to watch this video till the end. So for that, you have to go and open up a browser. In order to redeem your premium code on YouTube, you'll not be able to do it with the help of an application. You have to use a web browser, and on the web address bar, type in youtube.com, and that's going to directly take you to the official page, which is going to look something like this. So while you're on this page, you have to scroll down a bit from the left hand side bar, and you can see more from YouTube section. Under it, you need to go to YouTube Premium. As you click on YouTube Premium here, you'll be taken to this page where you'll be able to see the starter interface. So basically, it's going to ask you to create an account. First of all, sometimes you might be able to see the redeem code button right in center. However, if you're unable to find the option, then you can just make changes with your link. So for that, now you'll be able to redeem your YouTube Premium code. So just go ahead and type in the code that has been provided to you on the physical card or on the email whatsoever, and press the next button, next interface. If the information seems to be valid enough, then you've successfully redeemed your YouTube Premium code. So that's basically how you can redeem your YouTube Premium code. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.